We never do the setups in front of them. We never give the immediate answer. I will give this solution immediately. We will take 1.5 months, 2 months only for requirements. 2 months, remember, each module 1 week. We will do analysis 1 week. We will do configuration development 1 week. We will do testing 1 week, working or not. After 1 month only, we will provide the trainings to the user. You given this requirement, we done setup, we are showing to you. Are you happy or not? Are you comfortable or not? Do you need any modification or not? We will be take the sign of confirmation. You understood? Yes or no? How many members understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Just
sir, understood.
the chart is more important for us. Today, I think less count come. Yesterday, 200 count come. I don't know. People are listening or sleeping. I already told you. Initiative is different. Daily brisk is. You understand, right? Logic? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are not a end user. Remember, you are not a end user. You are the consultant. Why I am saying many students have doubts, that is the reason. You have to speak like a consultant. You have to speak, you have to act, you have to play as a consultant every day. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good man, right. Oh, real time I'll explain all methods.
I think we use unified methodology.
There are many.
Yeah.
Cooking the food depend on the home, right? Don't worry. Okay, same thing. Right now, calendar. Okay, now client Bharat Bio requested. I want to enter daily data. I want to do the reporting, reconciliation at a month end. I will submit my reports to government GST month wise. So I need a monthly calendar, period wise calendar, year end. There are any corrections, any adjustments I want to control, then I am suggesting to use the adjustment period for every year in number 12 plus 1 yearly once or quarterly once 12 plus 4 half yearly once 12 plus 2 starting of the year end of the year 12 plus 2 14 months means 12 is regular, 2 is additional period for only for corrections adjustment like a spare, like a additional period. Guys, clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me log in the user ID, my implementation user. Don't worry, guys, it is very, very easy. You have to try and practice. What is the username, Mama? You remember?
Bola.
9 31.
31, sir.
31.
Superman.
Capital letter.
Good. It is case sensitive. Okay, it is not case sensitive. Okay. Clear? So first navigation, how to create. How to create calendar. One time job. Amma. And one more thing, many students have. How many times we will do setup real time, sir? CRP1, CRP2, UAT, production. Amma. SIT, sorry. SIT, UAT, production. 5 times we will do the setup. Don't worry, not one time. Like a cricket match, I have some. These are all names. I already conference.
UAT 2 times you given it.
Sorry. Okay. SIT, system integration, testing, user integrate, user accept. 5 times you will do the setups. That means you can easily remember every setup before completing our course, even real time. Okay, right. So go to setup and maintenance because I am the functional consultant. My user having the application implementation consultant role. That is the reason I am able to see. I am able to see setup option. That here select the financials, second navigation, manage accounting calendar. That means Oracle, I already communicated you. Oracle having the already assemble of all setups, all task names, all modules. We are just making the configuration. We are combining, clubbing, integration with the setups and hand over to the client for data entry. Remember, you are not discovering, you are not writing any code, you are just assembling based on your business need. Agree? Yes or no? Same thing I said, right? Since demo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So search engine. Search engine. Go to manage accounting calendar. Click the calendar. Real time, you don't see the any seeded data. Because of real time, you will get the fresh instance like a fresh car. Now we are doing the demo car, demo driving, right? So there is an option here about this record. Once you created, you can review who created, when did you create, you can see the, okay, diagnostics information, columns, increase, then you can use the detach, reorder, click the create option, edit option, export, detach, okay, create option. Let me increase the size. Very, very easy. Don't be hurry, first of all. If you have a hurry mindset, anxiety, hesitation mindset, you don't understand. I'm telling you. You have to stop the WhatsApp, your internet. Okay. If you are using the home internet, okay. Don't watch the WhatsApp while listening the classes. Concentrate, minimum regular classes. So I will define what is the client name? Bharat Bio International Limited. I am taking BBIL monthly or period, or you can define India. Okay, India monthly calendar. Naming convention can be use anything, uppercase or lowercase. Starting date, I am in June 20. Shall I create remaining periods or in the 25 year our financial in India? No. Oracle is saying if you are implementing for any client, we have to take entire financial year as a starting setup. So I will take April 1st, 25 as a financial year. You may ask me, sir, why should I take April? April, May, June means 2 months got completed. We are in the third week of the June. So sometimes client may ask you, hey, I need last 2 months data to be converted. Last 2 months data to be migrate. Can you do it? Yes. Some clients may ask you, Narasimha, can you make it the last 6 months? Take last financial year. Some clients may ask last 10 months, last financial year. Some clients may ask last 2 years. Take the 24, 23 to 24, 24 to 25, 25 to now. You may have the doubt. Sir, who will communicate you? I need a calendar from this year. I need data migration. Your GL head, client side financial head will communicate us what to be done, what they required. Based on that, we will take it. So I'm taking the 24 year as my financial year starting. But I will enter data June only, live data. Okay, 24, 25, 12 months. 25 to today's date, 2 months. 12 plus 2, 14 months. Prior periods we are taking for historical data for data migration. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are buying the mobile. Without migrate your old mobile data, will you use the new mobile? I'm
No.
asking you.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You purchase the new house. Without bringing your belongings, will you start the new house with the family?
No, sir.
No.
Everywhere data migration is there, which will help you, which will make you for reporting comfortable, etc. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Agree, sir.
You are buying the direct new mobile, smart mobile. You don't have the normal mobile. You are buying the new flat. You got the new marriage, not new marriage, normal marriage. Sorry. You got the marriage. You don't have the history. Then directly start this financial year. That means if you are implementing Swiggy company, if you are implementing Zomato company, that company started career. Sorry, that company started this financial year. They are buying Oracle ERP directly from Oracle owner with IT vendor. You don't have the any history. Start with April 2025 onwards. How many members understood?
Sir, sir, you mean to say that, see, if our company is 3 years old and 2021 we have started and we are implementing now,
It's
so
not
we are giving the starting date should be 1
old.
April 2021,
Not
correct?
old. It's not old. It's client will ask us how many years of the data they want to convert. It is 20 years history, 10 years history, 5 years history, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Whatever they need belongings to convert, we will consider months, years, we will be defined.
Got it.
Clear? Some
How will
clients
be back?
some clients will say, Narasimha, I have legacy Tally ERP, mainframes ERP. I don't need any history. I need Oracle data, only Oracle. Take 25 April onwards. Clear? In the under silent area.
Yes, sir. Got it.
How will you take, sir, backup previous data?
Good question. That client will give it, oh, I don't take backup, Client should give the months and data to convert. You don't know as a consultant, right? How do I know Narasimha Pola, BBL data? Client side financial head, GL user will give the data. This is the data available in Excel sheet as per template. We will take, just upload it. If they give wrong data upload. If they give right data will upload. That's it. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Then here I am taking one set year rate. 12 plus 1 means every year, March 31st, one day I am taking as a additional period for corrections. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. Client said I don't need any corrections adjustment entry. My all users are experts. But even though Oracle is suggesting minimum take at least one adjustment year, end of the year, potential adjustment entries. Oracle giving the indication. If I select first one, 12 plus 2, April, March, 2 additional 12 plus 2, 14. Middle of the year, end of the year, 12 plus 2. Middle of the year, twice at year end, 12 plus 3, 15 months. Once at year end, 12 plus 1, 13 months. Twice at year end, 14 months. None. Other. Monthly also. Quarterly, 12 plus 4, 16. You understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Even your mobile open the calendar, it will give the 100 years calendar. That means your mobile company identified, they created calendar option function in your mobile. Open the mobile, everyone. See the calendar, they given 100 years from today. Did you observe anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood? Okay. Why mobile company given the calendar? Everybody need calendar date while using your mobile, like recording the video, calling, messaging, etc. That means every company, mobile company given hundreds of years calendar in your mobile. I don't know old years, how many years they given. I never checked it in my mobile also. Anyone know how many historical years they given? Do you know, guys? Did you check anyone? I think 100 minus 100 plus as per my knowledge.
For laptop, yeah, for a laptop, it is given for 100 plus and 100 minus.
Oh, nice, man. That means they created some option they given here. See, 2125 history above 1925. Great. Okay, done. So now click next option. Here I am taking monthly calendar. Your period name will be display here MMYY because of the Indian model. If it is America, they may ask YYMMDD. There are many models are there. You can select. If you select the YYMM year and month. If you select YYMMDD different. Okay. I am selecting regular. Guys, clear? Right. Click next option. Please join sharp 7. I'm telling you, next week onwards, I will start sharp 7. I don't like to waste 10 minutes every day. See here. Name can be overwrite. Star mark, nothing but theoretical. What is accounting calendar? What is the purpose? Theory you can read. Someone asked me, right, sir, how to read the theory? This is the option given by Oracle. Define accounting calendar to create our accounting year periods, it contains specified common calendar option that application uses to automatically generate a calendar within period. You can see lot of history. If you have good patience, you can go and read and enjoy. But real time, we will remove that question mark symbol for users. Otherwise, they will read every day. They will ask the doubts. Okay, we will stop that question mark symbol with deviating. Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir. Good.
Okay, right. Then here 1 day allocated. Starting of the year, end of the year, I taken 1 day. 31st March taken 1 day. Suppose this is falling under weekend, sir. Suppose, can I change the prior date? Yes, sir. That can be possible. Now, save the record. This is one-time setup, global setup. You can use this calendar for n number of country if they are matching the April to March financial year calendar. Let me check. I don't know how many countries are using April to March. April to March calendar countries in global. Oh, come on, man. India, Canada, Singapore, South Africa. They're using this financial year. If you are implementing these 4 countries, you will use single calendar for 4 countries. How many members understood?
Yes, sir.
Right now, suppose if you are implementing 2 countries like BBIL, India parent company.
Excuse me, sir.
1 minute. US, UK, Canada. How many calendars will create?
3 calendars.
Four.
I don't know. You have to search Google, Babu.
Three.
India,
Right.
Canada is same. We understand.
Canada. Yes.
US is different. January to December. Somebody check it UK. UK financial year. Even I don't remember and I worked it. Okay. UK financial year. Client will tell it, Amma. You don't require to search in Google, Babu, in front of them. UK also April to March. But why Google did not give ChatGPT? Yes or no? So here, how many calendars I will create? Only 2.
Only 2.
If you are implementing single country, only India, 1 calendar. You understood, right? Global model, Babu, listen beyond your scenarios. Team, are getting my point? Right. Suppose I am implementing for India, Australia, US, how many calendars?
3.
3.
Three calendars.
How do you know?
India different, Australia different, US different.
Australia is different.
Did you search in Google or saying answer?
And as of now, as
Yesterday you said Australia.
Hey, come on, man. Very nice. Good. Okay. If you are implementing 3 countries single time, create it. Without implementing Australia, US, you don't create, Babu. Remember that word. If you are implementing multinational company, then you will create single go. Rollout we don't create. First we will implement for parent company. We will go and start practice. Are you getting my point or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Somebody trying to ask that out.
Sir, at a time, how many countries calendar we can create?
A number of them. One. I don't know. Whatever country you need, you can create 190. ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్న అన్ని కంట్రీలకు చేయొచ్చమ్మా. కంట్రీస్ ఇన్ గ్లోబల్. How many countries are 195 calendars you can create it? Okay, right. First,
Sir,
who will create a calendar?
excuse me, sir.
Provided data to create a calendar. I already told you who will create, when we will create, how we will create, okay, where we will create. Understand? Raise the question to yourself. Yeah, you are asking something, and sorry.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా స్టార్ట్ డేట్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్. స్టార్ట్ డేట్ మీకు ఒక ఫార్మాట్ చూపిస్తుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఆ స్టార్ట్ డేట్ ని ఫార్మాట్ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
Change చేసుకో. Client will tell I need DD MM YY, YY MM DD, YY DD MM,
ఓకే
MM YY DD. I don't know, Namma. Country to country they will ask you.
ఓకే ఓకే
Country, see, they don't do own family purpose. They will follow India entity when they are submitting GST. When they are submitting reports to government, it should be format, right? Date format. India using DD MM YY. You should not say I will use YY MM DD, that a tax, that government will be, may not understand your reports, right? Am I right or wrong?
ఎస్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు మరి ఆ ఫార్మాట్స్ ఎలా చేంజ్ చేస్తారు సార్ మరి?
Search in that one, setup level.
ఓకే సార్.
There are many options, try it. Good
ఓకే
question. Who will
Okay.
create? GL functional consultant. Who provided data? Client finance team, users.
Sir, if suppose there is no option there, so we can add the date format there.
I think so. Good question. There might be option called other option to do your own experiment.
Okay.
But I
Right.
never tried. Okay, right.
Oh.
When we will create implementation project time, okay, project. How we will create? Through ERP, through FSM page, through calendar setup. Where we will create instance URL. Okay, then who will use this calendar? Who will use calendar? Consultant for testing, users for live data entry. Boys, clear something new? Yes or no? Think every setup purpose. Every
Users for this end users, right?
yes, sir. End users, business user, BBIL users will enter live data, sales, purchase, etc. Okay, sir, I defined calendar. Sir, you defined 24 to 25, 25 to 26, 26th March 31st. What will happen, sir? Good question, na? 31st March 26. Okay, 01. Okay, April 27. Sorry, 26. What will happen, sir? Then what will happen?
I think it will continue, sir, same format.
Balances will carry forward to April 1st.
That you did not tell to, you did not tell to system, amma. That is the reason while creating how many years you need to add additional, add it 10 years, 5 years, click the 5 times, save it. That's it. Every you can't create supporting time, you will be extended. I added one beyond 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Minimum you can add 5 years. I will tell you. Very good example. 2010 night Okay, India time zone, 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. or the 11 p.m. night. I got error issue from the business users. I was bachelor that time, I was in night shift. Suddenly, Pamela Pakla, I remember her. Okay, I like her. Okay. Pamela Pakla. She pinged me, Narsimha, all programs are erroring out. Then I got tension. How come year-end closure, all programs getting error out? Then I requested her from Canada. I remember she's in Canada now also. Please send the error message log file. She sent me. Error showing there is no beyond calendar year. It is showing. What does it mean?
That's the
That
last date we have fixed it.
Not added other.
project implemented 2005. 2010 night it was giving error. Means somebody created right only. 2005 that consultant EBS, it is not Fusion. 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 years he given additional year. But we are in supporting, we did not observe 2010 as a last year of the setup. Then immediately I requested Aditya Bamidipati. I don't have production access night time. I requested Aditya Bamidipati, who is from Andhra only. Okay. Aditya, I got to know issue from the Pamela Pakla. I observed error. There is no beyond calendar. Can you go and extend? He told me, Narsimha, I'm busy. I will give the access of the instance. Can you log in and do it? Then I extended. Minimum 1 year at that time. How many members understood this logic?
Yes, sir.
First of all.
Sir, got it.
What about others? Be open mouth and tell me, did you understand or not?
Understand.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand.
Yes, sir, understand.
I will explain.
Understand, sir.
No problem. I will
Sir,
explain.
so is this possible to extend at last minute also, sir?
Yes, last. After getting the error also, see, after getting the fever only, we will take a tablet, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So, Telugulo ఏందంటేనండి 2005లో ఈ కంపెనీ, don't take me wrong, I'm explaining some Telugu language. Don't feel Narsimha explain Telugu and don't complain to anyone. Understandable is important, okay? Don't take me wrong. Thank you. 2005లో IBM కంపెనీ ఐటీ వెండార్గా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసిందండి. క్లయింట్ నేమ్ వచ్చి ABSIX. ఆ టైంలో క్రియేట్ చేసిన కన్సల్టెంట్ కరెక్ట్గా కన్సల్టెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి 2005 నుంచి 10 వరకు క్యాలెండర్ యాడ్ చేశాడు. కానీ మీ సపోర్టింగ్ మాకు ఎప్పుడు వచ్చింది? 2010 జూన్లో వచ్చిందమ్మా మాకు ప్రాజెక్ట్. నేను అలకేట్ అయ్యాను.
Sir, 10 extra.
Sir, 2001.
20,000 no, sir.
ఓకే మ్యాన్, కీన్ అబ్జర్వేషన్, నైస్ మ్యాన్, క్విక్. ఓకే, 2010లో మాకు ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చింది సపోర్టింగ్. మేము ఎవరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలేం. 2010 డిసెంబర్ 31st నైట్ నేను నైట్ షిఫ్ట్లో ఉంటే క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ అవ్వకుండా నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి అన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఎర్రర్ అవుట్ అయినాయి. దాంట్లో ఏమనుంది? బియాండ్ క్యాలెండర్ ఇయర్ లేదు అని చెప్పింది. అప్పుడు నేనేం చేశాను, క్యాలెండర్ని కొరీ చేసి చూస్తే అరే 2010 వరకే ఉంది, January 1st బ్యాలెన్సెస్ క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ అవ్వట్లేదని చెప్పాను. అప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్కి చెప్పి మెయిల్ పెడితే క్లయింట్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చి ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయమన్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ 10 years యాడ్ చేశారు. అది సినారియో, ఫిక్స్డ్ ఇట్. యు అండర్స్టాండ్ బాయ్స్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any
Yes,
checklist?
sir, we understood.
Sir, is there any checklist? See, you said that after getting error, we checked it, but by the time when we received the project, is there any checklist? What and all we need to check? So dates and year, how many years they have given the calendar? Is
That
there any
we
checklist?
have to do proactively.
Okay.
That is the reason, right? Estimation is correct. If you are in supporting, you need to check it checklist logically, but we did not follow. Yes or no? Right. No.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Where it is shown, sir?
Error message. Somewhere it is giving error. I can't show no error. We did not complete all implementation, right?
Want to prior checker. How many years this
Yeah, simple Basha. She given error. Immediately I observed calendar is not there. I queried the same setup in EBS. Calendar name. I observed 2010 is the last year of the calendar in that setup. Okay, done.
Sir, before closing, మనకి ఏమైనా నోటిఫికేషన్ ఒకటి
No notifications, sir. Yearly once notification will not create, as per my knowledge. If you want, you can create a notification also. Okay, right.
Okay.
So same navigation, manage accounting calendar. Sir, can I delete this calendar I mistakenly created? No. You can't delete. Can I extend the calendar at any time? Yes. You may have the doubt. Sir, instead of the April 25, I taken June month, sir, today, mistakenly. You have to change the name called don't use, create new calendar. Guys, clear? How many members understood?
Understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Babu, don't practice, Babu. Are you practicing or searching from Google this error? Okay, right. Now, one-time setup. Remember, this is one-time setup. Now I completed. Yesterday, one student pinged me. Sir, this calendar should I assign to project level? No. You are creating the setup under project level only. You don't require to link here. If you create first navigation, as I said yesterday, go to Bharat Bio. If you create a manage accounting calendar, you may feel I am creating every setup under project level. If you create first navigation, second navigation, third navigation, all are same. Good question. Thanks for asking. One student pinged me. Did you get in? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I am in. So first J2 Global. We implemented 2011 for US, UK, Canada. I allocated this client 2016, sorry, 17, 18, 19. We done the rollouts for New Zealand, real only live example, Netherlands, Denmark, Australia, Europe countries. Did I do the new calendars? Did I use the existing calendar?
New calendar.
How do you say new calendar? Man,
That will based on the country financial year.
Right. You have to match. You have to note down here US, UK, Canada. That countries matching to your country. These countries are not. Take the same calendar for other entities, other countries also. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion or normal? Agree?
Yes, sir.
You have to feel matching or not. Right. We can call a uniformity setup. Am I right or wrong? If you are constructing the house, you will take all, okay, some items uniform color, uniform, okay, uniqueness of the, okay, colors and items, right? Yes or no? Okay, that I completed.
Sir, for rollout, sir. So it depends on the year depends on the region, right? So will that
Don't
we
use,
not take the
don't use
regions?
is different country. Country number, country. Right. Yes, ask me, please.
Sir, I have a doubt. Do they request us for modification of naming convention for each country? Is there any possibilities?
If required, you can change it today.
Okay.
Example, BBIL acquired by Natco Pharma. BBL acquired by Aravindo Pharma. Yeah, you can go and change the name and day. You can. Good question. Very good question. ఎవరు బాబు లాగిన్ అయింది వరాకిల్ ఫ్యూజన్ క్లౌడ్ ట్రైనింగ్ అని నేమ్ లేదా అయింది నీకు మేను యువర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ దిస్ గై నౌ let me jump into another topic. Clear? Any doubts in this one?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please.
Sir, while creating this adjustment period, does that comes under the same financial year? Say we create a calendar between April to March.
Good.
So when will be the adjustment period?
Within the year, one date only, Oracle giving last date of the period. Within the period, last date.
If we are defining a month, it will be the last month or the first month. That will be the adjustment month.
Good question. See, you have the exam Sunday. 30 is the last date. Our government will give 2 days is the buffer date. Am I right? Exam Sunday, your schooling time, your education time.
Yes.
Same way, within the financial year, you can give the before date, 30 March, 29 March, or 31st March. We should not give the adjustment period in the next year month within the financial year. That is not possible. That you are expecting question, right?
Yes, sir.
No. Within the year, dates, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. See, if you give the month, everybody do it. Yes or no? Right. Done? Now,
yes, sir.
Any doubts before moving to another topic?
Sir, how adjusting period can be at the starting of the month? Means I understand adjusting period should be at the end of the financial year, but at the beginning of the financial year, how adjusting period?
Simple and right. We started the financial year, Ajay Gupta, some name.
Yes.
Okay. You realized them. You forgot to do some adjustment in the last year. You realized. Still, you have the chance to do the adjustment this year, starting of the month, date April 1st, and you can announce to the government. There is option, but rare cases. But that is not falling under last year, this year only. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, good. Next, any more doubts? 1 minute to go.
Yes, sir.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది 5 years allocate అయింది సార్. సో మనం బిఫోర్ 5 years లో క్లోజ్ చేసాము, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్ క్యాలెండర్ ఇయర్?
క్లోజ్ చేయటం అనే పదం ఉండదు. కంపెనీ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. There is no word called closed. Can you repeat that question? Can you repeat it?
ఇప్పుడు ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది 5 years ఉంటుంది సార్. సో మనం 5 years లోపు ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. బిఫోర్ 5 years లో క్లోజ్ చేసాం అనుకో, అంటే డ్యూ టు రీజన్స్ అన్న మనం అయి ఉండొచ్చు కదా సార్. సో అప్పుడు ఏమైతే
డేటా ఎంట్రీకి సంబంధం లేదమ్మా. ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్, క్యాలెండర్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. యు ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టింగ్ ద హౌస్ 6 months, but you will stay in the 60 years for your next generation. Same thing. Project term, we are in good question. We are in 2025, but we will be expand for next 10 years of the calendar. Whether that project is doing 6 months, 8 months, 1 month, 2 months, doesn't matter. Data entry wise, we will fill and add the years. Clear, Masai?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, one more doubt. Initial setup client come up with a request, they want monthly reporting like that. After a few months, he come up with a request like they want us to, they want us to modify into daily or weekly thing. So is this possible
No.
to modify the calendar, or
No.
do we need to set up new one?
Once get the marriage, no option. Same thing. That is the reason we have 5 times setups. 6 months implementation. They have to realize before go live. Am I right or wrong? If you need this type of requirement, we have other option and good question, very good question. Secondary ledger is there that I will explain you. Okay, I will keep in my mind. When that scenario comes, I will share solution for you. Understood or not?
Sure.
There is a possibility, not directly, indirectly, right?
Change request will not be happened, sir.
No. Babu, those things they will be perfect and once I am telling you that is the reason client should decide and come back. They should not come daily like a Trump. I am a fan of Pakistan anted, I am fan of India anted, I am fan of Iran anted. It will not have critical mindset. They have to come with peaceful mindset. Am I right or wrong? Do you see Trump statement every day? Huh? Nobody can guess it, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. That. So next, yeah, please.
Actually, one company, Indian company acquires the foreign company means, sir. Date-wise, it will be various, sir, actually. So in the same financial year means, how could be like?
We will do consolidation. Good question. That
Yeah.
will yes. India entity acquired the America company.
Yes, sir.
America company acquired India company. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
don't feel it. Some student have mindset. Only few students are asking the doubts. I'm not getting any doubt. I'm not understanding. Don't feel it. When Narasimha was studying MBA entire 2 years, even I did not ask one doubt. I become the teacher, I become the employee. Whoever ask the doubts, many questions, they might become the employee, they might not become the employee. Don't go for that mindset. నేను ఎంబీఏలో ఉన్నప్పుడు నాకే డౌట్స్ ఎందుకు రావు, నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదా, నాకు ఎంబీఏ సూటబుల్ అవ్వలేదని ఇన్నర్ ఫీలింగ్ ఉండేది. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ మైండ్ సెట్. డోంట్ ఫీల్ ఇట్. I'm not getting any doubt. I am not understanding. Don't feel it. Here, you have to practice, try for the job to settle down. I want to tell that great word from me as a student, as an institute owner. Understand or not? Some people may have asked the personally, sir, why I am not getting the doubt, sir? Everybody asking the doubt. That means I am not eligible. I am not deserved. Don't feel it. Some people may ask the doubts. Some student may get the doubts once start practice. Some student doesn't get the doubt during the life journey, but they will be happy. Don't worry. There is no matter to discuss much things. Agree? Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, subject is the matter. Don't worry. Done. Now I will jump to another topic. Currency. Now client will say again, same story. GL consultant, okay, will talk to the client finance team. Finance team said, Narasimha, we registered company in India. We will submit all information to government because with INR currency that we can call functional currency, country currency, monetary currency, okay, data entry currency. Now KCR requested central government give the Telangana state, but he did not ask give the Telangana currency, right? Anyone object? Is it possible? Yes or no?
Not possible.
Ah,
possible.
you will ask the asset for your father. You should not ask your father give the other surname. Am I right? Yes or no? Possible? No. Same way, within the country, your company registered as per government, we have to enter local currency, monetary currency, functional currency as a INR. Then Oracle identified across the global, they given 195 currency codes as a seeded data, as a seeded data, as a standard data, as a predefined data. So make a note. Suppose Apple company registered in India, Kia showroom, Kia company started manufacture India. They should not say, I will submit America, okay, America transaction to India entity. They will cancel the entire company. Any country, any company registered, that country currency should be follow for financial transaction. Agree or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, currency conversion ఉందండి.
That we will discuss later. First, try to understand country in INR. You don't require conversion rate, sir. When you are buying from other countries, America, when I am selling the item to other country, I need exchange rate. Then I will call foreign currency codes. Here, if I take the BBIL, Bharat Bio, INR is my ledger currency, my country currency. You may have the doubt. Sir, recently BBIL sold the vaccination to other countries, sir. What we can call foreign currency codes. Other than foreign currency, other than functional currency, other than country currency. That we will discuss one day. Don't worry. First, try to understand INR. Guys, clear? Navigation. Make a note. 10 minutes to go. Then. Very, very interesting. Go to say setup and maintenance. Go to manage currency. Currency is correct name. Functional area FRS. So you can just query the currency code. Don't define it. INR is there. Just expand it. Your rupees, Prussian, decimal. This is created by Oracle as a seeded data. I told you, right? Each setup, you can check the who created any person or any system. Enabled app. So don't create INR, BBL, Reddy Labs, INR. You don't see. We need to type with INR as a Indian currency, ISO register. But you may have the doubt. Sir, why plus symbol, add symbol come? Some countries may have local currency, national currency. Let us take Burkina Faso, West Africa. Let us take Europe countries. Now they came with the single currency as Europe. Some countries follow local currency and international currency, national currency. That is the reason ERP system given, you can use the local currency codes also sometimes. That is the reason you can add the currency. But INR is international. You don't require to create any currency code now. How many members understood?
Understood, sir.
Not only one currency has so many currencies in foreign, sir.
Yes, sir. I have the Indian currency for my business, but I can do business with the 190 countries from BBILM. No? In future, I want to do I am buying some machinery for America. I can use the USD currency, then I will upload exchange rate. System will automatically calculate exchange rate also. That we have separate topic, I will discuss later. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Intercurrency company, sir. That is different. Okay, right. Guys, clear? So you don't define them. If you define, that is wrong. Just query the currency code. Okay. Query the currency codes. Just enable it. You don't require create new option because Oracle given seeded data. If you are implementing Australia, you can see AUD. If you are implementing for China, you can see CNY. If you are implementing for Sri Lanka, you can see. I know and some currency codes. I'm experienced guy, right? That is the reason I'm telling more examples. Okay. I'm implementing for New Zealand. Right? Simple. Keep enabled. Don't give the end date. Clear, guys? Right. Any doubts on that part? Okay. You have the doubt. Sir, my client asked me, I need only INR. I will not sell to America. I will not buy. I will not sell. Why don't you keep my only INR active, remaining inactive? Go to search engine without currency code, disable whatever they don't require. 190 country currency codes you should define. Make it disable, save it. Disable, save it. Disable, save it. Don't delete, boys. Okay, seeded data. How many members understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, got it.
Good point, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so at any point of time we can enable and disable, sir.
Yes, someone. Good question. You can enable anytime. Okay. Why client will ask disable? That data, that currency codes will show in the drop down list of a search engine. You don't like one guy, you will be black it, right? You don't like one guy, you will delete the number, right? Yes or no? Same thing. You can end date it or you can delete it. Now, next one. 6 minutes to go. If you are implementing 3 countries, example, sir, you said I am implementing these many countries. So how many currencies should be active? Country to country should be keep active. I am explaining very good example, Babu. Don't feel pressure. I am your well-wisher. I am experienced guy. I am educating you stage by stage. Within the 1 week, you will mind your body, your understanding will be make it more comfortable. If I don't explain, if I explain only India, if I explain only Andhra Pradesh, if I explain only Guntur district, you never become global person. I hope you understand my example. If I don't educate, I'm not real time. Once you join the company, you got Apple company, Google company, Walmart company, AT&T company, Benchmark, then you will confuse. Are Narasimha sir every day said INR. Where is the INR? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Just there is a reason I'm educating you, Babu. If I want, I can complete the course. Currency, I can complete within the 1 minute. I can complete setup of the calendar 1 minute only. But I'm explaining global wise how things will be happen. What are the factors we need to consider? You don't allocate to India client. You will join into good company. You don't know, I don't know, you will allocate for which country. You have to feel emotional and do the setups. Am I right or wrong? Guys, clear? Any doubts, boys? Something new? Like tomorrow we will have the classes, don't worry. Next topic. I completed currency. Any doubts?
Sir, this creating calendar. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have showed me 3 ways of creating calendar, right? In the first way, we are directly assigning that calendar to that particular project. In demo, if I want to assign the calendar which we have created in the second way to a particular project, is it possible, sir? In real time, there will be only one project, but
Yes, we
is
don't
there any option?
only single at global level we will do setups.
Okay, so global level will do. It is directly linked to any of the project which was created.
Linked to our project, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next topic. Very, very interesting. Regular. So recently, Tamil Nadu government also brought some surprised GO. Don't ask the money. If you ask the money, you will be charged 5 lakh and arrest. జనాలందరూ అప్లిచ్చేవాళ్ళు పిచ్చోళ్ళ ఇండియాలో అదేం రూల్ అండి తీసుకునేవాడు మంచోడు. Am I right or wrong? Did you see the statement? What government is doing? But then we will not pay the amount to banks also, no? Am I right or wrong?
Right.
I will
Oh,
take
sir.
home loan. I will not pay. I will register against the HDFC.
Don't ask.
Saying right, don't ask the money to anyone, right?
Yeah.
And India will be collapse, right? ఏం స్ట్రాటజీస్ అండి సీఎంలు ఉండి తీసుకున్నోడు మంచోడు ఇచ్చినోడు చెడ్డోడు.
First CM.
అదే అట్లుంది. అందుకని అప్పులేవు మాకండి తమిళనాడులో ఉంటే. ఓకే, మనకు రూల్ రాలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఎలక్షన్ లో వస్తుందేమో. రైట్. నౌ let us take a new word. So now BBIL say to BBIL business users will say to GL consultant, we will do business. We will do business like purchasing. We will do sales. Narasimha, we don't collect cash, Narasimha. We wanted to do the check method, electronic method trend. We don't take cash physically. We don't give the cash physically until unless labor charges, until unless tea charges, petty cash. So we taken the loan. We taken loan from banks or funders or capitalists, and we need to maintain my business, credit basis business, credit basis accounting, credit basis business. That is the reason wherever you go, your friend invited, example, house ceremony, you will ask it, right? Did you buy entire house with the cash or credit basis, loan basis? Even I taken loan 48 lakhs from ICICI Bank, exactly 4 years back, 21 June. This month, 25 June. So I purchased a house in Hyderabad. I taken half of the loan from the bank, ICICI, and I paid some cash. So same way client will ask it. I want to track my every item, every procurement with the credit basis accounting, credit basis business, not cash basis. Then Oracle brought the concept called accounting method. We can call what accounting method? We can call convention accounting method called standard accrual. Make a note, name called standard accrual. Seeded methods are there. We have one more. Client will ask it. Nasim, I want to do budget. I want to use budget based business like a government. Standard accrual with encumbrance. I need the cash. Standard cash is there in EBS. That process is absoluted in the future. Nobody was using the cash method in the Oracle system. That functionality stopped by Oracle company. How many members understood? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. That means no option to take the cash.
Yes.
It's deleted. Yeah.
No. International wise, nobody was using. They stopped it, this functionality within the Oracle. That process is stopped. Clear?
Sir, what about non-profit organizations? They will maintain books in cash.
Everything books
not
in
in
the
account.
cash will not support it that much.
Okay.
You can take cash. You can write as a credit basis accounting. Even Tirupati Trust using it credit and they will buy the milk, they will buy honey, they will buy all item from different vendor. Tirupati Trust also will not give the same day payment. They will give 1 week, 10 days, 1 month, 2 months also. Continuation. Credit basis business, credit basis accounting. Clear? So that we can call convention accounting method. Convention accounting method. So if you go to Oracle, you have the manage accounting method. Manage accounting method. Take the payable, any module. Go to here. You can see here seeded one. Search it. I am not creating new one number. Oracle already provided seeded. You can see seeded method. View about this record seeded data. So Oracle provided standard accrual and standard accrual with budget based accounting. Boys, clear? So if you are implementing for subledgers, then accounting method will come to the picture. If you are not using AP, AR, FSM, any subledger, client need only GL module. They can use. They don't require accounting method. Guys, clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
6 minutes to go now. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Standard accrual and standard accrual.
Credit basis. Standard accrual means that is ERP word, our word, common word, credit basis accounting. Accrual nothing but loan based, credit basis. Accrual is the ERP word, and our word is the standard credit.
Convention accounting.
Both are same. Accounting method, convention accounting method is same.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
India is same, Bharat is same. Okay, right.
Subledger,
Both are same. Subledgers will use accounting to record the transaction. They use it as a SLAM. SLAM, short name SLAM. You can use subledger accounting method also as a name. Any name you can use. Accounting method, SLAM, SLAM. You will understand and going forward, it is not a rocket science problem. Okay. Company want to run the business, simple accounting method they will use. So I completed great topics today, 3 C's. Chart of, okay, calendar, currency, convention accounting method. Tomorrow, don't miss anyone. Tomorrow is the very, very critical class. I will finalize the accounting structure. Client will give the data. Narasimha, when I'm entering the data, I need this data to be entered every department, every person, reporting purpose, financial purpose, company survival purpose, that we will design the structure tomorrow, like house structure, home structure, family structure, everywhere. Right? Any doubts?
Sir, I have doubt on the calendar actually.
Chapter.
See, last time I asked, right? See, we have data from 2020. So now we are implementing the Oracle Fusion to that company. So what would be the starting date?
That you don't know, Praveen. Client should give the data. I need last 3 years data in Oracle. They will give, you can take 22 year. Then migrate the data. Simple. That client will decide it, and you don't know, I don't know which year should start, and am I right or wrong? Simple. Your great grandfather photos you want to bring or not, decide by your family, not yourself. Am I right or wrong? Everywhere family.
Yes.
History you want to convert or not? That
So if-
point will tell you. Sometimes they will tell you, first we have 4 trainings, Narasimha, you said, right? First time we can't decide how many years of the data I want to be convert. Why don't you take first training as a present year? I will take 10 days time. I will confirm you before that one. That is also possible, Praveen. Good question. You understand?
Yeah.
Right.
What is standard accrual with encumbrance?
Budget based, and budget based. If you go to everywhere, you can see budget. Am I right or wrong? Recently, my baby asked me, I will bring my friends, we will go restaurant. I said budget based problem. Really? We should not encourage, and every birthday ki friends అందరు తెచ్చి restaurant కి వెళ్తే 20 బర్త్డేలు ఎక్కడ పెట్టుబడి పెడుతామండి? Am I right or wrong? My baby will ask, sir, daddy, budget? Yes, budget problem. Everywhere plan and survival. Don't take me wrong, I'm telling you honesty only. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Some
sir.
companies, government companies are there. Good question, and some manufacturing is there, BBIL. Narasimha, I will first allocate a budget for each department, each account. I will use budget based only. Budget based usage only. I should not beyond. It should be controlled. Hey, you are using more than option, more than budget. Everywhere allocation, usage. Projections, actuals, and correct word. Projection, I will spend this month for my family 40,000 budget. If I'm crossing 40,000, your mind will be read, array, I extended more than my expected budget. Am I right? Kaleshwar also discussing every day, right? They agreed one thing, they spent 1 lakh crores more than budget estimated. Estimation is different, actually is different, right? Yes or no? That
Yes,
we
sir.
Yes, sir. Good example, no? See, everywhere discussion. Estimated 81,000 crores. Actual 1 lakh. వాళ్ళు ఇష్టం కదా డబ్బులు గవర్నమెంట్ అంటే 1 lakh crore. Talk report. Everywhere estimation exceeded or not. This is a discussion happening, right? Political every day. Agree? Don't take me
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
This time educating as example. Okay, I'm not fan of anyone. Okay. మళ్ళా గ్రడ్జ్ పెట్టుకున్నారు సార్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఎక్కువ చెప్తున్నారండి. ఓకే. Everywhere estimation. Now families, you are thinking, right, this guy is crossing more than his family earning, is crossing his budget, now he's lost something. Am I right or wrong? Everywhere,
Yes,
plan
sir.
is there. That is the reason if you go to shop, they will ask your budget, sir. Even if you are buying items, they will ask what is your budget, sir, buying the car. Am I right or wrong? Recently, I seen the single movie that heroine also asked it, what is your budget to buy the car? 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore. He said, right? Yes or no? Did you see?
Yes, 10 crores.
Single movie or something, right? So, any doubts? Any doubts, boys?
Sir, there is a open or close period also, like
That we will discuss Sunday.
okay.
Functionality time. Just I'm configuring the all setup. Tomorrow is the critical class. Don't miss it. Monday is the one of the 1000% to 10,000% critical class. Somebody can post it. Make the your voice active. Tomorrow critical class as Narasimha sir confirm. Please attend without fail. So make it. That will help you. Guys, clear? Anything?
Instance and environment CRP1 I think.
That name Sunday. Like a simple sir, engagement, Sangeet, pre-marriage, marriage sir, nowadays. అంతకుముందు అన్ని ఒకే రోజు పెళ్లి రోజు ఇప్పుడు అన్ని ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్. Am I right? Pre-trials, client may have it. My users are not comfortable, sir. We need 3-4 times setup, 3-4 times trainings, 3-4 times observation. Then I will go to live. Good question, sir. That client will ask it. Minimum 3, sir. CRP1, CRP2, UAT, goal. Sorry, minimum 4 as per my experience. I never ever seen direct production live. I never ever seen directly UAT. I never ever seen directly CRP1 direct go live. Minimum Oracle will suggest to the client. This is the way you can go here. You can see the result. That is the reason, right? Every batsman will come first normal defense ball, normal ball, then he will take 4 ball like Rahul Dravid. If it is Yadav, he want to do every ball 6 amma. Am I right or wrong? Depend. Right. Any more doubts? So thanks, guys. CRP means conference room pilot. That is just a name of the instance. After 2 months, we will be configure it. We will provide the training. Just remember in your mind. It's like a demo car. If you go to showroom, we will show the demo car. He will show the all parts, all accessories, all features. He will explain as a demo. Same thing, we will take requirements. We will do configuration real-time CRP1 instance, live licensed instance. We will show them. They will listen. They will come back within week. What they need, what they don't need, what they need, additions are there or not. They will give the information to us.
It is kind of developer portal.
We don't use the developer word and we will use the configuration implementation. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Anything? Yes or no? Right, guys. So happily we'll connect tomorrow sharp 7. So your motto, my motto, everyone motto to do best practice.